Alright, this is the 2008 BMW 535i that we put the driver for the computer in. It is operational, it worked. The misfire is gone. This is a fix. This is a 2008 BMW 535i with a misfire. We were able to put the driver onto the circuit board of the computer of the DME, and it worked. This is a fix. We're going to go in. We're going to clear out all the lights here, and wrap it up. But this, there's a few lights on just from disconnecting the battery here, but no check engine light and no misfire. I like it. This is a fix. Thanks for watching.